Hey, what's good, YouTube family? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a little update on the Q&A. I apologize, my glasses are off. I'm actually preparing to go to sleep, so I do apologize. I know a lot of people have already submitted their questions. Thank you already. That means a lot. One thing I did not clarify is if I should be specific in your questions, but if I'm not understanding where you're coming from, you'll receive a comment from me just so I can understand where the question is coming from. And hey, don't get me wrong, I understand, you submit some questions sometimes to find an answer, you got to clarify it. So please don't take it the other way. I want to thank those who I have commented back for cooperating and understanding. Just trying to be accommodating for not only myself but for some of the other YouTubers that may not understand where the question is coming from. So please do not take it the other way. Uh, it's just a thought I had. It's just making things a little bit easier on me. But that's all. Continue to send in the questions. I would love to hear from you guys. You guys are rocking awesome. I'm gonna say this. You all are rocking awesome. So you still have time. End of the month, I'll do the Q&A responses. And so far, right now, the questions are really good, guys. So please, please, please keep them coming. Once again, if you know some other some other channels that haven't participated in one, get the word out there. You're welcome to share this video on like Facebook or whatnot, saying, "Hey, he's doing a Q&A prompt for Rail and other stuff. Ask him some questions." I appreciate it. Another thing is too, if you are new to it, please watch the prompt, and you're welcome to watch this video. And I give the instructions in the Q&A prompt video. So anyway, that's all the updates I have. And on one other thing too, please look at my new videos I put out. Lots of good stuff has been out from May, and I have a lot of good stuff planned for June. So please stay on the lookout for brand new videos. As the summer is really starting to kick in, I'll be able to get out some more and get some more videos and film and other photos. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to listening to your Q&A responses at the end of June. So let's start having some fun, and I will leave the June Q&A prompt in the featured list. All right, thank you guys for watching.